So my car's developed a starting issue in the morning. It's only the first start of the day. It's a little bit difficult. I have to leave the key on to warm the glow plugs up even longer than usual. Now I've got this code keep coming up. Glow plug relay module open circuit. So I managed to get a working second-hand glow plug relay, but this is out of a Mercedes W219 CLS, but it's got the same engine, so hopefully this should sort it out. To remove the relay, you've got to undo these E10, I believe it's E10, yeah, E10 bits. There's two up here. There's bolts underneath these ones. You undo this and there's actually a nut, sorry. You undo that. And there's one under here. You have to undo that plug to get to this one and remove. It's like a catch thing. I think we'll be careful not to lose the rubber O-ring that sits in there. And then you've got to undo the bracket to get to the relay. Tricky trying to do that button. You will come out. Eventually. Voila. Bracket off. Very different shape to my, that's the replacement second hand one. This is the one on it. That one looks the same. As long as they fit, very different in shape though, and the mounting hole's the same. Looks like the holes pretty much line up. It's just a hell of a lot smaller. It's got Mercedes stamped on it. There's the part numbers the same. Can't see it on there. And then 2079. Part number's definitely different. Well, plug it in and see what happens. Well, although the part numbers are very different, the connections are exactly the same. I'll just loosely put that in there, put this catch tin back on, because I want to see if it'll fire it up. But the connections fit. This, like I said, this came off of a W219 Mercedes V6 CDI with the OM642 Mercedes engine in it. So one would assume that this feels a hell of a lot lighter than that little small one. Maybe it's just more casing, I don't know. But let's see if it fires up. Fires straight up. So, although the casings are different, the mounting holes are in the exact same place and the connectors are exactly the same. So maybe this one that I got out of the Mercedes, it was out of a newer car, so maybe that's an updated glow plug relay compared to this old one. I don't know, but It looked like a minute ago, the glow plug relay light went out a hell of a lot quicker than it normally did. So it's on, off straight away. It's normally on a lot quicker than that. A lot longer, sorry. Yeah. No meal light. So maybe, well, I won't know until tomorrow morning really, because that's the only time the problem started, but hopefully with any luck I'll try it tomorrow morning and it would have killed the problem. Otherwise I'll be back under there doing something else. So the sequence for this eventful operation is, first thing you've got to do is you have to unclip this connection to the relay, so you can get to an E10 bolt just under there. So you undo that one, you undo this one at the top here, then you remove like this catch tin or whatever it is, and then you undo this one here, which has a bolt underneath it. I don't actually have this one here, it was never in there. And then yeah, so you undo this one with the nut underneath it, undo that one, remove the bracket, remove the last connection, and then you can change the relay over. And as you can see, the one from the Mercedes CLS fits in there perfectly. If I had the bolt for that, it would slide through it. So it must just be an updated version to this was taken out. So yeah, part numbers are different, but as you can see, everything lines up, and it starts the car. So yeah, I'm gonna get that put back in and off we go.